Hi, this is Allison Sheridan, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week, we're going to take a look at a tool called Loom from Loom.com. Loom allows you to capture video of your screen and optionally your webcam, while simultaneously uploading the video to their online service. With Loom, you can give a presentation, show a developer a bug you found, create video tutorials for your friends, family, or coworkers. With most video capture utilities, you have to record locally, edit and annotate the video, figure out the right resolution for export, and then upload the video somewhere like Dropbox or maybe YouTube. Making a recording of your own webcam for picture-in-picture definitely requires some skills in video recording. If you have a specific audience intended, once you've uploaded your content, you won't necessarily know whether they've viewed your video. With Loom, as you record your video, including picture-in-picture, it's already on its way up to their service at an appropriate resolution, and through the web interface, you can even edit your video. You can crop out different portions of the video, getting rid of mistakes and making your video more professional. You can even add calls to action from within the video and get notified when people have viewed your content. Loom runs on the Mac, iOS, Windows, and there's even a Chrome extension. Loom has a free tier called the Starter Plan and a paid business plan that costs $10 US per month. If you work in education, you get the business plan for free. With the free Starter Plan, you're limited to 100 videos and screenshots that you can upload to the service, and you have a 5-minute recording limit. If you upgrade to the business plan, you're allowed unlimited videos you can upload, and they are unlimited in length. There are several other differences between the plans, and as I go through the tutorial, I'll highlight when I'm using a business plan feature to help you decide if you need to upgrade from the very capable Starter Plan. We're going to start on the Mac, and then later I'll go over to the iPad, and we'll see how Loom has some differences when it's on the mobile platform. I've already installed Loom, and let's do a first launch. It's going to launch as a menu bar app, and I'll tap on the icon right here. The first time you run it, it will, of course, ask you for permission to access your camera, your microphone, and system events. At any point, you can go into System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and disable or re-enable these privileges. You'll see that we have the option to sign in, but I can also go to Sign Up, and this will allow me to create a free account. I'm going to do that right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I've logged in, so let's tap on the Loom icon in the menu bar. When it first comes up, you're going to get a little walkthrough here, but since we're going to teach you how to use all of this, I'm just going to tap Next, and we'll go through each of these options here. We're getting to the part where it's asking for access to the camera, and I'll tap OK, and Next, and it's going to ask about the microphone. We're going to finish up here, and I'm ready to start recording. When Loom first comes up, you're going to notice down in the bottom left-hand corner, there's a picture-in-picture. Now, this is going to be a little bit distracting. For the moment, I'll change it to my internal camera of my Mac, and you can see it's coming up in a second here. But I'm going to turn that off so that you're not distracted by watching what's going on in the corner. I will explain the picture-in-picture effects because it's pretty cool what you can do. Right here, it says Screen and Camera, and I'm going to tap on that and change that to Screen Only for now. I'm also going to change the microphone to the internal mic on my MacBook Pro. I'm doing that so if we do playback from Loom, you'll be able to tell the difference in the microphone from the one I'm using for the screencast. For our screen recording, by default, you can see it says full screen. It's defaulted to full screen. I can choose full screen where I'll be asked later to select the desktop, or I can choose a window and it'll ask me to select the app. Or if I have the business plan, I can choose a custom size and select that region. Let's leave it at full screen. The other option we have is the resolution. And I mentioned that you're not going to have to make a lot of decisions about how to export your video. You simply choose here whether you want it at a low resolution, up to 720p for the free plan, or you can go up to 1080p, 1440, or even 4K HD if I was on a 4K monitor.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week. as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.